Todd here with MiniMotorsUSA. Look at what we got. Dualtron X. Unfortunately, it's a little wet outside, but we're excited to see what's in the box. So let's get started. Whoa. They packed this thing pretty well. Caleb, you think you can lift that end? Let's put Caleb to the test. Sick. Fender. Let's open this baby up. It's loose. Sick. Got the front fender here. Let's see what's in the box. Got a charger toolkit, some axle nut covers, the fast charger. Alright, we got this thing all set up. First off, check out the suspension. It's pretty sick. You got a 18 steps compression setting on the front and the rear. So if you tighten these all the way up, you can see the compression is going to be a lot less. You also have a steering damper with 23 steps to adjust the steering. All the way hard. It's going to be much harder to spin the bars. All the way soft. It's going to be much easier to spin them. You've got a new iThrottle assembly with a fingerprint reader. This is going to be your real-time voltage right here on the stem. You got a light switch here on the side, do your mood lighting, and you have another switch over here, which is your headlight. You got your hazard switch, your turn signals. It does have brake lights, and you have a horn. And it folds down pretty easy here. The bars come in. And this thing unscrews. And you push it in, then it comes down. It's still pretty compact, but it's a beast of a scooter. So that's pretty much the X. We're super excited to ride this. You got a 49 amp hour battery in there. You also have your voltage readout for your front battery. One of your charges in there is going to do your front battery. This is a little charge port for a cell phone or something like that. You have your other charge ports on the bottom for your 6.5 amp fast charger. That's pretty much the X. We're super excited to ride this thing. Get your orders in. They're super limited supply starting out. Hopefully production catches up and we're able to fulfill all these orders as soon as we can. Stay tuned for a ride. We're going to do a little back-to-back this against the Thunder in just a couple days. From a size standpoint, you can see here, this is the X. This is a Thunder. It's got a couple little mods on it, but you are a little bit longer, much wider, much bigger scooter. 13-inch wheels. They're about 5 inches wide, so even wider than the 4-inch by 11-inch tires on the Thunder. And we're excited to see what this thing can do. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.